Kezia's family, Kezia, her father, her mother, grandmother, and Alice the, who is she? Cook.
Miss
Very
Cook.
good. Yeah, good. So now we come to know that Kezia is very afraid of her father. She says that he has long hands, he has big hands, big neck. So he looks like a giant. You know what is a giant? He looks like a giant.
Yeah.
When he yawns means he like this. Okay, when he yawns, he looks like a giant for her. Okay. Next, what happens? Now I will teach you in 3 incidents. Okay. First incident. Note down. Okay. Sharat sir.
ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ತೀರಿ ಯಾರು ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿನಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ
ನನಗೆ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಈ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹಿಂದೆ ಇರೋ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಇದು ಬೇಡ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು 5 ನಿಮಿಷಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್
Ma'am, it's blank.
Ma'am, it's blank.
blank
Ma'am, it is blank. Ma'am, it is blank.
characters you can't see
No, ma'am.
No, miss.
No, miss. No, ma'am, we can't see.
full ತೋರಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ಲಾ
Yes, miss. Yes, ma'am. Yes, miss.
Can you see? Okay, write down. Fast, be fast. Next, where I should go?
ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಗಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಶೇರ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಶ್ರೇಣಿ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಈ ಶ್ರೇಣಿ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದೆ
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಐಕಾನ್ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ
Okay. Characters written down.
No, ma'am, 1 minute.
Be fast, children. Okay. Next, I will go to. Okay. Next, I will go to some important incidents. Okay. On this incident only, I will teach you whole story. Okay. First incident. Please listen, everyone. Later, you can write down. Okay. First incident on Sunday afternoons. Okay. On Sunday afternoon, grandmother sent her down to the drawing room to have a nice talk with father and mother. Okay. Now grandmother wants Kezia to have a good relationship with father and mother. Okay.
Mother.
Father and mother. When she enters the drawing room, she sees that her mother is reading the newspaper or reading some book always, all the afternoon, Sunday afternoon. Please mute your audio. Then her father will be lying down, okay, with a kerchief, napkin on his face. So he will be relaxing and he will be sleeping and snoring. Okay. So then she is very wretched. She is unhappy looking at this because they are not talking with her. Okay. This is the first incident, Sunday afternoon. Okay. Shall I move to the second one? Okay. Second one is birthday gift. What is this birthday gift? So one day, what happens? She was kept at home. Why? Because of fever and cold. She was not well. So then, okay, can you listen to me? Are you listening to me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, what happens? She is not well. She has cold. So, our grandmother says that please stay at home today. And she was relaxing. Then what happened? Grandmother advises her, prepare one gift for your father with a yellow silk cloth. That gift
Ma'am,
is
I
called
cannot
as
hear you, ma'am.
Jane. Can you now?
I cannot receive.
Yeah.
And then
Can you?
Oh,
Can you,
oh.
Jane? Yeah. Shall I continue, children? Shall I continue?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what happens? Now she wants to prepare one gift. It is called as pin cushion. What it is called as? Pin cushion.
Pin cushion.
See this picture. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. This is nothing but a soft cushion where you will pin the ball pins. Okay. Can you see the picture?
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
understood? Okay. So what happens? Grandmother gives her yellow silk cloth, but she stitches three sides also. All the three sides she stitches, and one side is open. She wants some waste paper to be inserted in that pin cushion. Okay. So slowly she searches everywhere. She doesn't get any paper. So she directly goes to her mother's room, okay, bedroom. And she sees there some papers were kept on the table. She takes those paper and she tears all the paper and stuff inside the pin cushion and stitches the fourth side also. Now hangama in the home in the night. Okay. Why? Because those paper were the important paper, speech paper of her father. Can you listen to me?
No, ma'am.
You can't listen to me.
Oh, no, ma'am.
Sharad sir. Huh? Yug Jain.
Yug, check your audio.
Check your audio, Yug.
Ma'am, it is on.
Huh? On.
Unmute.
Unmute it. Hmm? Can you hear me now? Yug Jain?
Check this.
Okay. Shall I continue?
Yes, ma'am.
Girls? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So first incident is over. Yug Jain is unable to hear.
ಕೆಲಸ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಈಗ
What happened, Yug Jain?
ನಿಮಿಷ ಬಂದೆ ಏನಂತೆ
Yug Jain is unable to hear.
ಅವನದು ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು
You can't hear Yug Jain?
ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ
Unmute it. Okay, shall I continue now? Girls? Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
incident 1 is over on Sunday afternoon. Incident 2 is what?
Birthday gift.
Yeah.
Birthday
So now you came to know hangama at home. Why? Because the paper has been torn. Okay. So her father gives her nicely on her both hands. Okay. Give nicely on her both hands. Next, what happens? Second incident is over. Okay. Now the last incident. The last incident now. So what
Miss, when
happened?
her mother become ill.
When her mother becomes ill. One day what happens? Her mother is very ill and she goes away to the hospital with her grandmother. Now poor girl, she is alone at home with Alice the cook. Alice looks after her in the morning very nicely. Okay. Now in the night, she has to be alone now. Now what happens? She is very afraid of her father. Ayyo, what to do? What to do? She's thinking. Alice says, don't worry. You sleep. Okay, don't disturb your father. Okay. Before that, one incident I will tell you. She was crying, no? She was crying, father has bet. Okay. Then what happens? She will be watching outside the window. She sees the neighbor, Mr. McDonald's family. Okay. She sees that McDonald is having 5 children and he will be always playing with his children. He's very happy. The children are very happy. But here, our Kezia is saying, watching the children playing with their father, and she's very unhappy. See how different sorts of fathers are there. My father is very strict, but their father, see how happily will be playing. So she says that my father is very strict, but McDonald is very free and happy. Then next, this third incident, she is very afraid of her father. Now she wants to sleep. And suddenly she says to her father, Father, I am very afraid because I have night dreams at night. Now I can't sleep. I want my granny. Then what happens? No, you sleep. Alice will say, don't worry, don't disturb your father. You sleep. And she removes her socks. Okay. And late night, what happens? Again, this girl starts dreaming, nightmare. Okay. A butcher, a knife and all. She screams loudly. Then suddenly, her father comes to her and he picks up her and takes her to his room. Okay. Now she is kept on his bed and she sleeps on her father, and she listens to the voice of the heartbeat of her father. Okay, his heartbeat will be more noise sound. Okay, so then she comes to know that his father is very tired from morning, so he will be unable to play with his daughter. Okay, now see here, when I will share the screen here. Can you see this picture?
No, miss, it's blank again.
Mom, it is
ma'am.
blank.
It is blank.
Ma'am, it's blank.
Yeah, yeah.
Blank.
Blank.
Can you?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is blank.
No, ma'am.
Sharat sir? Yeah, we will. Picture blank.
Close
क्या
stop share.
So can you see the picture now?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the picture of Sunday afternoon. Can you see?
Yes,
See
miss.
here,
Yes, ma'am.
Kezia is
Yes, ma'am.
standing. Yeah. Mother is sitting and reading, and father is sleeping. Okay. Next, I will play another picture. See which family it is?
McDonald.
Yeah, very good.
McDonald's.
Very good. McDonald's family, they are playing. Okay. Next, this picture is over now. Characters over
ma'am.
now. Write down if you have not written down. Be fast. Okay. Incidents, write down incidents. Okay. At last, she comes to know that her father is also very generous. Okay. He is very soft hearted, but he is very tired. Okay. So he is unable to talk to her or play with her. Okay. See now, I will show you one mind map. Please write down this mind map. After this, you have to prepare a mind map and post to me. Kezia, mother, father. Kezia loves grandmother. Okay. Kezia is scared of father. Why? He looks like giant. Okay. And at last she feels that her father has a big heart. Okay. Did you get the story, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Note the home. Note the homework now. Write down. You have to prepare the mind maps and post me in the evening. If you are able, you can write the summary also. Then we will solve some questions. Okay, I will summarize once again. The Little Girl, Kezia, written by Catherine Mansfield. Here we have the little girl Kezia. She is very afraid of her father because she doesn't have more attachment with him. And she says that he looks like a giant because of big hands and big neck. Then she is very attached to her grandmother. Her mother doesn't play a role here. She is very soft natured. Okay. Then what happens? Grandmother wants her granddaughter to be friendly with her parents. So she sends her to drawing room always Sunday afternoon. but there also she doesn't talk to her father or mother. Then later the second incident is that, what is the second incident? Birthday gift.
Birthday gift.
Grandmother asked her to prepare the pin cushion. See the pin cushion. Okay. So grandmother wants to prepare her the pin cushion and she prepares, but the mistake she does, what she does, she tear the important paper of her father and she truthfully says that yes mama, I have taken the paper. Okay, she is very innocent. See the character, you have to write the character, how she is, what is her nature and all at last. Okay, so then later our father beats her. Okay, so she is still scared of her father. Then the last incident, third incident is that when her mother is very ill,
When her mother feels
yeah, ill, she becomes ill and she goes to hospital and she comes to know that she has a bad dream. Okay, then she is taken up by her father. Okay, so he takes care of her and she sleeps on her father. Then she hears to the loved up sound of her father's heartbeat. Okay, then she comes to know that my father has a big heart. He is also very generous. He also take care of us, of me. Okay, this what happens. See, her feelings of her father, okay, changes. She is very scared in the beginning, but later she, from fear to understanding, she starts understanding her father. Okay, this happens in each and everyone's house. Am I right? This happens in each and everyone's home. Okay, so now we have come to the end of this session. You have to write the mind map for this story and prepare some, if you can, prepare the summary or prepare some multiple choice questions. Please purchase the book, textbooks from the school.
Yes,
Any
miss.
doubts? If you have any doubt, write in the chat box.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, once again, see the images. Incident 1, 2, 3. Okay, write down this. Okay. Next, you should not log out. Mamta ma'am will be joining you for social. Don't log out. Be there. Oh, log in the Mamta ma'am's link. Okay. You have to join the Mamta ma'am's link. You all know, no? Okay. See the pictures. See the pictures. Okay. See McDonald's family. Happily they are enjoying. See here Kezia. She's watching them. Okay. Next. You all know about the character. Okay. This is Kezia, her father and her mother. Okay. Shall I log out?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Tuesday I will be back. Okay. Before that, what you have to do? You have to write all the mind maps and summary, and you have to post me. Okay. Post me in your WhatsApp group. Okay. Did you all understood the lesson? Show your thumb if you have understood. Show your thumb. Yug Jain. Yug Jain. Okay. 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 Amruta Sinchana is very late. Where is Amruta Sinchana? Jeevan is also late. Please be here at sharp 9:30 means 9 o'clock. Okay.